In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in as another user in Gohighlevel. We'll keep this quick and simple so you can follow along easily inside your dashboard. This is useful when you need to view the platform from another user's perspective, troubleshoot account access, or confirm what someone else on the account is able to see. To begin, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're already signed in to your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll usually find your account controls and profile options. Next, click on your profile icon. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related actions. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just take a moment to look through the menu carefully. The feature we're looking for is located there. From that drop-down, click on Login As. This option allows you to switch into another user's view without needing their login credentials directly. It's a convenient way to access the account as that user, especially for support, setup, or testing purposes. After clicking Login As, a list of available users will appear. At this point, select the other user you want to log in as. Be sure to choose the correct person, especially if multiple users have similar names or roles. Taking an extra second here can help avoid confusion later. Once you've selected the user, you'll be asked to confirm the action. Go ahead and confirm to log in. This confirmation step is important because it ensures you really want to switch into that user's account view before the system proceeds. After that, a final prompt may appear. Simply click OK to continue. Once you do that, Gohighlevel will complete the switch and you'll be logged in as the selected user. If the page takes a moment to refresh, that's completely normal. Give it a few seconds to load. When it finishes, you should be able to see the platform as that user would see it, which can be very helpful for checking permissions, settings, or user-specific issues. And that's all there is to it. You go to Gohighlevel, open the profile menu in the top right, click Login As, choose the user, confirm the login, and then click OK. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you log in as another user in Gohighlevel quickly and confidently.